Imagine a time when you felt lost, uncertain, or overwhelmed. Now, imagine a comforting voice guiding you, calming your fears, and lighting your path. This is the essence of Proverbs 3, verses 5 to 6, a verse that invites us to trust fully, lean not on mere human wisdom, submit our ways, and receive divine guidance. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Trust is a profound concept. It's about complete confidence, unwavering faith. In a spiritual context, it means believing in the Lord's wisdom even when circumstances appear bleak. Picture a solid rock amidst a stormy sea. That, my friends, is trust. And lean not on your own understanding. Have you ever tried to solve a complex puzzle only to find yourself going in circles? Sometimes our understanding can limit us. This verse encourages us to look beyond our limited perspective, to trust in something greater. In all your ways, submit to Him. Submission is often misunderstood as weakness, but in this context, it's about humility, about recognizing and acknowledging the divine power that guides us. It's about letting go of the steering wheel and trusting the driver, and He will make your path straight. It's a promise of clarity, of guidance. It's the divine GPS that doesn't just show us the way, but clears the path for us. The book of Proverbs, in its wisdom literature, offers us valuable insights and advice. It's a spiritual guidebook filled with practical wisdom for daily living. Now take a moment to reflect. Recall a time when you trusted in the Lord. How did it feel? How did it change the situation? To sum up Proverbs 3, 5. 6 encourages us to trust in the Lord wholeheartedly. Lean not on our personal understanding, submit our ways, and receive divine guidance. It's an invitation to a life of faith, trust, surrender, and divine guidance. Remember, trust in the Lord is not a passive act. It's an active choice, a decision to believe, even when the road ahead appears uncertain. And when we make that choice, the promise is clear. He will make our path straight. So as you navigate life's twists and turns, remember this verse. Let it be your compass, your guiding light. Trust in the Lord, lean not on your understanding. Submit your ways to Him and watch as He makes your path straight. As we wrap up, consider the transformative power of trust in the Lord. Not just in the big moments of life, but in the everyday ones too. And remember, no matter how winding your path may seem, trust in the Lord to make it straight.